In this tip, we'll make sure your computer is optimized for best performance. So we're going to go to settings and actually advanced system settings. Then we're going to go to performance settings and make sure it's adjusted for best performance. In this next tip, we'll disable background apps. So we'll go to the start menu and search background apps. Click on that. And then either disable it for every single one or individually disable what background apps you want running. In this tip, we'll optimize your drives. Start by going to the start menu and searching defragmented and optimize drives. Click optimize and wait for your computer to optimize your hard disk drive. In this next tip, I'll show you how to delete temporary files. Go to the start menu, search run, open that up, search %temp%, click OK. If it asks you any kind of file permissions, just click OK or yes. Control Alt or Control A, all of these, and delete. For our next tip, we're going to open up Task Manager by pushing Control Alt and Delete at the same time. Then we're going to go to Startup and disable any apps we don't want to launch on startup. This will decrease the workload for our CPU. In this next tip, we'll go to your game mode settings and make sure that's turned off. So go to Start and search Game Mode in Settings. And make sure that is turned off like how I have it. In this next tip, we'll turn off your transparency. So go to Start, search Transparency in Windows. Open that up and make sure it is turned off like how I have it. In this last tip, we're going to open up Chrome and we're going to go to malwarebytes.com, which is a great free tool that can help delete a bunch of bloatware and malware off your device.